Okay, I think we got market open coming up on your screens right about now. What do we have? First rates, 25,690 or so on the Nifty, which is down about 1/3%. That's 80 points. You've got the Nifty Bank, which is almost flattish, red, green, but basically unchanged, undecided. The Sensex is down about 0.2%. The mid-cap index is down about 1/3%. The small-cap index will come up as well. With what it is doing, about 0.5% lower on the small cap index. 800 up and about 600 lower. That's the advanced decline ratio as things stand right now. And that's the screen, folks, with what's happening. 45 lower on the Nifty, 25,725 at this stage.
All right.
Well, I don't think we have the heat map coming up, but maybe we'll have more individual names. Let's throw it across to Mangalam on the big wall, Mangalam.
Yeah, let's go across. You know, it's 60-point downtick is what we're seeing. But on the Nifty gainers or the Nifty losers, the top mover today is actually Trent. Why do I say that? Because, you know, the stock was up 5% ahead of numbers yesterday. The street was anticipating a bit of a beat that would come by. But turns out maybe the street does not like, or maybe a large part of the margin surprise has been priced in, which is why the stock is lower. The advanced decline, which opened in firm favor of advances, has now come closer as well. So we do have enough number of stocks, an equal number of stocks advancing and declining. Let's look at some of the other result reactions. Medanta and Metropolis, both of them had reported a decent set of numbers. So let's see whether the street likes it. Perhaps not. On a decent set of numbers, the stock has seen a bit of a sell-off for Medanta. Metropolis as well should come up for you. My sense is in the pre-open it settled in the positive and now has opened about 4% higher. Force Motors, that's the stock of this morning, up nearly 4%, a very strong performance coming in. All of 2025, the stock has seen a big move, and this continues. CCL Products is the other one. Higher coffee prices has improved their realization, so 59% profit growth out there, 5% higher on that stock as well. Two other stocks, JSW Cement, it turned around the bottom line. They reported a big profit versus a loss. Let's see whether, the street acknowledges that. Yes, 4% higher on that one. And Avalon Tech, the stock has been in favor of, the US-India trade deal that happened, etc. The numbers are good as well. But after the up move that we've seen some profit taking out there. Cummins India, there is a bull versus bear case out there. Currently, the bears are winning with a cut of almost 2.5% on the stock. All eyes will be then on, what the management says in the con call. NHPC is the other one. Seasonally weak quarter for them. Welspun Enterprises, also a weak performance coming in from them. And Keystone as well as Jubilant and Grevia. Both these stocks are sharply lower. One pack that stands out on the way down today is the metals pack. The overnight volatility in commodities. So if you pull up something like a Vedanta, Hind Zinc or Nalco, the metals index down about 2%. The Nifty just about 37 points lower. Not a big worry so far, but among the sectors that are not doing too well has to be IT and metals. They're the sectors which are a bit on the downside. The Nifty Bank holding up after yesterday's outperformance.
Well, IT is actually now stabilizing. So the Nifty IT index is flattish. TCS, Infosys, HCL Tech, Wipro, all in the green now. And this is after the big fall that we had yesterday and Cognizant's calendar year 26 guidance positively surprising the street. Hexaware, though, is taking a big knock, posts a disappointing set of numbers, decline in revenue, margin miss. Timken India is another one. Hindustan Aeronautics continues with the fall from yesterday. And on the way up, some more earnings reaction. JSW Cement stands out, and Imami continues with the gain from yesterday. So that's added on another 3%.
Well, absolutely. Lots of single stock action right here and there, and there's more to focus on as we go along. We'll do that over the next 10-15 minutes.